Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2014 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, heated seats, remote engine start, backup camera, traction control, air conditioning, driver airbag, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defroster. Come see the car for yourself.